HiCat Pack Baby Cloth Diaper Fasteners, replaces by HiCat, is one of the best sellers among diaper pins and fasteners products. Dear parents, a diaper pin is ugly, sharp, and unsightly. The manufacturer's high-quality diaper fasteners are practical and comfortable. As the great alternative to diaper pins, it can create a snug-fitting cloth diaper without pins. For pre-fold, flat-fold and contour diapers. If you have gotten tired of diaper pins, and give your lovely baby some style. Features: 100% brand new and high quality. Easy to use. Great alternative to diaper pins. Fine workmanship. Safer and more reliable. Material: silicone. Easy to use, attaches in 3 simple steps. Fine workmanship. High quality and durable, practical and comfortable diaper fastener. Package includes 5 PCS.